hand over to Renee to go into our money sermon and drop all the gems and jewels and amazing tips and information. Take out your money book, guys. Make sure you are ready and you're writing. Get your questions ready as well for Renee. If you have any, drop them in the chat. All right, so over to you, Renee. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Keisha. So guys, first I just want to say Keisha the teacher is there, is here for you, and she started with the mindset and a practical side. I'm here to talk to you about the spiritual side. And yes, there is a spiritual side when it comes to money. So let's just talk about that. First and foremost, I need you to know and understand that our faith should determine our handling of finances. The two are not separate. It's not my relationship with God over here and my relationship with money over here. No, your faith should determine how you deal with money. So we're going to talk about that. Now, as Christians, right, we all have one common mission. And Jesus made that very clear in Matthew 28:19-20, which says, "Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to observe all that I have commanded you. And behold, I am with you always to the end of the age."